Yeah. Tube. Gareth's about to send it. You. Boom. Yo. You. Oh. We've got a baby duck. Just don't move too much. Whoa. I just caught a duck.
I just caught a duck.
We got a duck friend, guys. Duck friend. Where can we go release him? Look at this, dudes. Huh? Yeah, but it's just I don't want to let him go in the water. Let's release you. You alright, buddy? You alright, mate? Ow. Right, you gotta go that way, bud. Go on. Keep going. Keep going. Shh. Keep going, bud. Keep going. No, don't go this way. Yeah. Go on, boy. Right. I'm going to have to send the rope swing.
Yeah.
Can you video? Can you video me?
Yeah.
Sick.
Send it!
Boys, it's a beautiful day. Waterfalls, not only for swimming, but cleaning the old bicycle. Look at this. Sloppy. Get some juices for the fish. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, look at that. This is technique. That's how you clean the rims. Rim job. Say that again. Rim job. I'm loving it. Look at this. Look how sweet that looks. That looks sick. I'm not dunking my bike. Alright, do you want to film me? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was done. Keep going. Watch. By the way, I'm not polluting the river with any kind of grease. because I do not grease my bike. This is all natural dirt. There's some seeds in here. You know, it's all in the circle of life, boys and girls. Has anyone got a toothbrush on the bar?
Really?
Well, we're all weird characters. Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
Like that. You see this? Look at that. You know when you've got to clean your fun bits. The bike has fun bits too. You've got to get in there. This is not how you guys clean your bikes at home.
Definitely not. No? Bowl is soapy water.
I got juice in my eye. Right, I reckon the cleaning's pretty much good for a year. Is that ready for South Africa, guys? Yeah. Hey, it's shiny apart from... Come look at my disc. Come look at my disc.
So, right, now I see what you mean when you say bent it.
I definitely bent it, yeah. Sick! Did you stop recording?
Not yet.
Well, I reckon that is how you clean your bike. I mean, I can show you a how-to video if you want, but I reckon we're done. Squeaky clean this week. Ah, the tape's come off the toe.
Lads. Chilling up a tree. My boy Gareth. What a tree hugger. Yeah. Chilling hard. It's been a sick day. Might get some boys to send it. Send it, boys. Send it. Send it for the tube.
We're not sending it. We're not sending it.
I don't know.
Hang on.
Pink Shorts is going for it.
Send it, I'll send it back.
What? You're just going to send it?
No, I got it.
Oh, sweet. This is what happens when real men send it. Flick it, I'll catch it. Yo. That's it. Garrett's the man. He's about to send it hard. For the boys! For the boys! Yeah! Yeah, boy! Are you alright?
How cold? You see what's in my hand?
What?
Look!
Whoa! Are you alright?
Come down.
Holy beep! He just hooked himself on a fishing line. Hanging from a tree. Yeah, you didn't have any holes. Shit, we all forgot about that. Just too busy. Boys, you gotta subscribe now. He's just sending it for you. You're good. Oh, let's get down. Tube. Wagwan. On the way home. So that was quite fun. I'm trying to get my last ditch of sunshine before I leave the country in a few days with my honey on some adventures. Oh, traffic! Oh. Every time we get to this point, there's traffic. Yeah, it's going to be sick. Sorry about the noise, still no brakes. Yep. Well, not still no brakes. I broke them again, didn't I? Oh, look at those sick trees. Whoosh! That is rad. Sick. Traffic. Oi, good day. How rude. But yeah, today's fun. Gareth nearly chopped his head off on that fishing line, which is rather unfortunate. He could have literally died today, which isn't actually funny, but yeah, we knew the fishing line was there and we just forgot about it. What a bunch of knobheads. But I guess you only learn by failure. Well, one of them Rokovich's house. Legend. Sick. But yeah, so on my way home. It's possibly the last vlogging you'll see, and then I'll be, well, not you'll see ever, this week, and then I'm going to be in another country. Yeah, boy! The home country, the mother of all countries. Wow. Sick country. So, goodbye countryside. Goodbye England. See you soon. Oosh.